Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about JSW ISPAT special product. Yesterday I made one video, so you can watch that video. So in that video already I told you about the offer for sale and we discussed that there is nothing is going to be happen to the stock. Actually, that is only the sentiment is working here. So in that video, very clearly I explain you that. So if you are holding, please hold it and take this as an opportunity to buy on coming days. So just we will go into further, so you can see all the videos about JSW ISPAT special products. You can watch in the playlist already. There already all the videos are updated in that, including the fundamental analysis and also all the result and everything I have provided here. So 19 videos are available, you can watch that. So now actually the confusion between the retailers, so why this sentiment was created. So you can see here it is closed in today, it was closed in lower circuit, and just we will see that why this sentiment was created. You can see here it was just we will see here the offer for sale notice. In that it is clearly specified that the floor price, you can see here the floor price as 27 rupees. The retailers actually they are confusing, and there are some operators also involved in that, and they have created a wrong news saying that the floor price is the price what they are going to sell. No, this is something nonsense. Actually, floor price is the price, that means which will called as a circuit breaker, so it should not be break. So same like how it will act means, you can see here in while we are coming to the BSC, you can see that today's that means tomorrow's lower price band and tomorrow's upper price band, you can see here on price on a 5% band. And we are not sure that whether we will trade on LC or whether we will trade on upper circuit, because it depends upon the market condition and also the supply and the requirement in the market, how it is required in the market, the demand in the market. So usually here also it will come the same demand and supply. So when the supply is more, the price will go down, and when the demand is more, the price will go up. Because usually the JSW is part, it is a well established company, and also it is generating good result. So the people will be involved, people will be interested in the stock and they will invest. So the demand will be more, 21% of the stake, that means only 9 crores shares, 9.9 crores shares are selling in that. The big investors they can take 9 crore, and the remaining zero point 0.9 crore is coming to the retail investors. That also will be grabbed by the HNS only, high net worth individuals only. So it is a good news actually. So this floor price of 27 rupees, that is just a circuit breaker, and it doesn't mean that it will be traded on that. So we have to utilize this opportunity, because already the operators they have created a bad impression. Tomorrow only they will come to know that tomorrow is a retailer's day to grab the share of around 90 lakh shares. That is nothing actually. The retailers, even the operators also know they will not get it. So after that it will look in upper circuit again. So the operators and also the retailers they will come to know that tomorrow and after tomorrow that actually this is a good news, and all the investors are getting benefited because of this offer for sale, because 400 crore is going to be added to company. Because the company's stake they are going to sell, and they are going to reduce the debit, and also they are going to infuse this as working capital. So this will increase the sale on coming months. So this will be a good news actually. And also everyone knows that how Rajesh Gunjanwala and all invested in the stocks. They are not getting an opportunity here, because you can see here the company is holding almost 74% of the stake, and the public is having only a limited stake in that. So the HNS required the stake, and while they invested means they will invest it for long time. And also in the same way the mutual fund also, once they invested means they will keep it for long time. That means once they taken the position means that is not a free floating share.